Okay, this is a very high-end yacht club jacket. You can take these emblems off if you want, but why not pretend to be rich for a while? 2 metal button front. It was the commander's jacket, and this looks like a 13 there. These buttons are beautiful. I think they're Westbury fine knit fabric, single rear vent. Inside here we see it's a SOLEMARE from MAUS and HOFFMAN. Oh, look here. This was for Henry Foster. Interesting. And here's your other label. And as you can see, it's 100% wonderful wool. Full satin line, sweat guards, no expense spared. Over here we have the cut in with the same. And here's a better look at our Yacht Club patch. Here's the larger buttons with anchors. And this is just a gorgeous knit fabric. Drapes well, feels great. This thing probably costs thousands of dollars.